This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Sheila Miller. Wow! Beautifully maintained 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath spacious open floor plan with tons of upgrades including a fireplace. Great location. The kitchen has upgraded wood cabinets with granite counters and upgraded stainless steel refrigerator, stove, and microwave. The breakfast bar divides the kitchen from the family room and has ample space for bar stools. There is an upgraded half bath downstairs. Wait until you see the relaxing view from the screen patio off the large kitchen/dining combo. The large storage room can hold a few bikes and stowaways. Brazilian wood stairs lead to the 3 bedrooms with Brazilian wood floors throughout the 2nd level. And of course, the master bathroom is totally renovated with a lovely tile shower, floors, and sink. From the master bedroom, there is a nice view of the pond. The amenities include a community pool, tennis, playground, basketball court, and recreation area. The HOA handles the exterior maintenance including the roof. Also comes with 2 assigned parking spaces and guest parking. This home is conveniently located near Carrollwood Shopping and Citrus Park, malls, Carrollwood Culture Center, Tampa International Airport, highways including the Veterans Expressway to access beaches and downtown Tampa, and restaurants. Why wait to relax? Come quickly. For more information, review the details below.